Hi guys, today I'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on Roblox app. To know how to fix or how to solve bug on Roblox, you should just go to your settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox, and you can click here. After that, you can click on the first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.